hydrogen atom combine with most of the elements of periodic table to form a binary compound. Hydrogen combines with
most of the elements in the periodic table to form binary compounds.
table to form
binary compounds.
binary compounds known as hydride. Hydride are mainly three different types. First category is called as saline hydride or ionic hydride. Second is called as molecular hydride. And third is called as metallic hydride. Metallic hydride is also called as interstitial hydride. Interstitial hydride or non-stoichiometric hydride. Non-stoichiometric hydride. Saline hydride is formed by S block element. Formed by S block elements. That is group 1 and group 2 element. That is group 1 and 2 elements form a saline hydrides. Whereas molecular hydrides are basically divided into three types. P block elements mainly form it. P block elements form the molecular hydride. There are again three different types. Molecular hydride are three different types. With three types of molecular hydride, electron deficient hydride, electron rich hydride, and electron precise hydride. Electron deficient hydride, electron precise, and then electron rich. Electron precise hydride and electron rich hydride. Electron deficient hydride, group 13 elements mainly form a electron deficient hydride. Here number of electron around the central atom is less than octet. That's why it is called as electron deficient hydride. Number of electrons around central atom is less than
octet.
Hence they are called as
Electron
deficient hydride. Group 13 elements. Which group element?
13.
Group 13 elements form it. Example BH3, aluminium hydride, AlH3, etc. Here if you see that boron has a 3 valence electron, it's combined with 3 hydrogen atoms, so number of electrons around us, so they are act as a Lewis acid. The electron deficient and they act as a
Lewis acid.
Act as
Lewis acid.
Lewis acid. Which group hydride form an electron deficient hydride?
13.
Group 13 hydrides. Why group 13 hydrides form an electron deficient hydride? Only 3 valence electrons. Here, so total number of electron around the central atom is less than octet. Hence, they are called as electron deficient hydride. Next, electron precise hydride. Electron precise hydrides. Number of electron around the central atom is exact octet. number of
electrons
electrons around central atom is exact
Octet.
octet.
carbon, nitrogen,
हाँ.
oxygen.
Group
Carbon
14 elements. Group 14 elements form it. Example: methane,
CH4.
silicon, SiH4, etc. If we check the number of electron around the central atom,
8.
carbon has a 4 valence electron, so exactly 8 electron around the central atom. They neither act as a Lewis acid nor Lewis base. They are electron precise. They are electronic precise. So if they are less than 8, then act as a Lewis
Lewis
acid.
acid.
More than 8,
Lewis
then act as a
base.
Lewis base. And they does not have any lone pair of electron. They does not possess any.
तो ऑक्सीजन भी तो हुआ है ना H2O.
Lone pair of electron. They are electrically neutral. They are electrically neutral. Neutral in nature. Now, electron rich hydride. Electron rich hydride. Number of electron around the central atom is more than octet. Is more than
Octet.
or octet with lone pair of electron. Then also it is called as electron rich. Number of electron around central atom is more than octet or octet with lone pair of electrons. Group 15 elements. Which group element?
15.
Group 15 elements form it. Example: PH3, NH3, ASH3. Group 16 also can form it. Group 16 means H2O, H2S, etc. Group 17 can also form it. HF, HCl, HBr, etc. All these group elements, phosphorus has how many valence electron?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 6 and 1 lone pair. So octet with lone pair of electron, hence it is called as Lewis base. Act as Lewis base. Likewise water. Oxygen has a 6 valence electron, 2 lone pair of electron, Lewis base. Clear? Likewise HCl. Chlorine has a 7 valence electron,
So 3 lone
exact
pair.
octet with 3 lone pair of electron. As per the definition, HCl is a Lewis base because of lone pair of electron, and because of presence of H plus, it is act as a Arrhenius acid. Arrhenius acid or Bronsted acid and Lewis base. Only compound which has a 2 different properties. HCl, as per the Arrhenius definition, it acts as a acid. As per the Bronsted definition, act as a acid. But as per the Lewis definition, lone pair of
Lewis
electron,
base.
Lewis base. But this Lewis base property of HCl is never be observed. It's never been observed. તમને observed થશે નહીં. It is observed only against the metals. It is observed only against metal. Otherwise observed થશે નહીં. ચલો. Now, D block elements form a metallic hydride. Which block elements?
D block.
D block elements form a metallic. D and F block elements. Form it. So difference between saline hydride and
molecular and
saline or ionic hydride and metallic hydride. Metallic હાઇડ્રાઇડ. So, saline hydride. Which block element form it?
S
S
block.
block.
Form
DNF
metallic
block.
D
DNF block.
D and
F block.
F block elements form. S block elements means which group?
Group 1, 2.
Group one.
Group 1 and 2 form it. Here
Group
Group
3
three.
to 12.
13
हाँ.
to 18 on
नहीं 3
3 to 12.
अच्छा D sorry.
3 to
12.
12 form it, except groups 7, 8 and 9. Group 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9 among 3 to 12, 7, 8 and 9 does not form the metallic hydride. Group 3 to 12 as per the D block F does not have any group. So group 3 to 12 can form it except group 7, 8 and 9. Amongst group 6, among group 6 element, only chromium can form it. Only
Chromium.
chromium can form it. So group 1 element હશે તો group 1 element has a common oxidation state.
1
+1.
હા તો આપણે એને M અને આને H કહીએ તો આનું +1
minus 1.
-1 તો કયા ટાઈપના
MH.
હાઇડ્રાઇડ બનાવે? એક્ઝામ્પલ MH
NaH.
ટાઈપ
NaH.
MH type lithium hydride, sodium hydride. Likewise, group 2 form the hydride then.
Plus 2 तो MH2.
नहीं MH2
This is +2 and hydrogen -1. So
MH2.
it is form a MH2 type.
BH2.
Example BH2,
CaH2.
MgH2, etc.
Hmm.
Clear? Now, so they are present in a proper stoichiometric ratio.
Hmm.
Stoichiometric ratio are fixed. So group 1 and group 2 form a stoichiometric hydride, means they are combined in a proper ratio only. 1:1, 1:2, likewise. Clear? Whereas metallic hydride are non-stoichiometric in nature because they are going to occupy interstitial space. મેટલ છે તો મેટલની વચ્ચેની જે ખાલી જગ્યા હશે ને ત્યાં જઈને હાઇડ્રોજન અટેચ થઈ જશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કોરોડેડ ફોર્મ ઓફ આયરન જોયું તમે?
Hmm.
So you can observe that a corroded form of iron has so many number of pores in that.
Hmm.
In that pores means empty space. That empty space is going to be get occupied by the hydrogen, and the hydride form as a result of occupation of empty space is called as interstitial hydride. Interstitial ionic metallic hydride is also called as interstitial hydride because they are going to occupy that interstitial space. Clear? So they are non-stoichiometric in nature. So here first, third number, saline hydride are stoichiometric in nature. Stoichiometric hydride ratio is fixed,
Hmm.
whereas non-stoichiometric hydride, because
Occupies the inner space.
hydrogen atom occupies
Interstitial positions.
interstitial space between
Two
metals.
બે atoms વચ્ચે ને?
હા, between metals. બે મેટલ હોય, બહુ બધા હોય સરાઉન્ડિંગમાં, બરાબર? તો પછી કેવી રીતે કરો? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ TI, સો H 1.8, Fe H 2.3 to 2.5,
Oh.
સ્કેન્ડિયમ H 2.1. તમે જે પણ રેન્ડમલી લખવું એ લખવાના, કોઈ
કંઈ
ફિક્સ
બી?
હશે? હા, કંઈ પણ, કારણ કે જે ખાલી છે તેટલી જ જગ્યા ઓક્યુપાઈડ. સર મારામાં આટલી જ જગ્યા ઓક્યુપાઈડ કરી.
પણ આ લોકોના તો વેરિયેબલ ઓક્સિડેશન સ્ટેટ
હા, વેરિયેબલ ઓક્સિડેશન સ્ટેટ છે, એમ્પ્ટી ઓક્યુપન્સી છે, એટલે આમાં કોઈ ફિક્સ રેશિયો તો નથી. મેટલ તો એક છે પણ હાઇડ્રોજન ગમે તેટલા આવી શકે. ક્લિયર? મોસ્ટલી બિટવીન 2 to 3. બિટવીન 2 to 3. મોર દેન 3 પણ બહુ ઓછા ચાન્સીસ હશે, લેસ દેન 3 પણ. પણ આવી રીતે ફ્રેક્શનલ વેલ્યુ. સો that's why they are called as non-stoichiometric hydride. Saline hydride or S block hydride, saline hydride is also called as ionic hydride due to presence of ionic bond in them. They are also called as
Ionic hydride.
due to presence of iron.
due to presence of high electronegativity difference. Presence of ionic bond. Due to presence of,
Ionic.
for example, Na plus H minus, calcium 2 plus and 2H
H
minus,
minus.
CH2. So there are ionic bond is present in a saline hydride. That's why they are called as
Ionic
bond.
ionic hydride. Metallic hydride, because they are going to occupy the interstitial space, they are called as interstitial hydrides.
Interstitial.
Hydrogen occupies the
Interstitial space.
interstitial space in metal, hence known as interstitial hydride.
આ LiH NH એ બધા સોલ્ટ્સ છે.
Example, cobalt H 2.5 to 2.7. Clear? Interstitial hydride.
સર તેને સેલાઇન હાઇડ્રાઇડ કેમ કહેવાય?
Salt like છે એટલે.
સોલ્ટ લાઇક.
હમ
આ બધા સોલ્ટ્સ છે.
હમ
બી
They are salt like in nature. Now, conductivity. Saline hydride are
Right.
non-conductor in a pure form, but they are conductor in a aqueous form. Pure salt is a non-conductor, but salt water is a conductor.
Conductor.
So saline hydride, they are crystalline in nature, hard and brittle like salt. Like salt. They are hard, brittle,
ક્રિસ્ટલિન.
and crystalline in nature. Crystalline in
Nature.
nature. They are non-conductor of electricity. Likewise here, like metal, metallic hydrides are malleable,
ડક્ટાઇલ.
main do બે property લખવાની. Like metallic hydride and conductor of next property માં લઈશું. Like metals,
હાર્ડ.
metallic hydrides are
Malleable.
હાર્ડ
Ductile.
મેલેબલ ડક્ટાઇલ.
are hard, malleable,
ડક્ટાઇલ.
ductile, sonorous,
લસ્ટ્રસ.
etc. બધી પ્રોપર્ટી લખવા બેસશે. They are non-conductor of electricity in a pure form, but conductor of electricity in its aqueous or molten state. Molten or aqueous state. Molten or aqueous state due to presence of free ions. Free ions. Whereas metallic hydride is a conductor of electricity, heat and electricity in its pure form. In its pure form as well as in its melted form. conductor of heat
and electricity.
and electricity in its pure form as well as in is
Aqueous or molten state.
molten form, aqueous नहीं हुई है, due to presence of free electron, due to presence of metal as a free electron, whereas ionic solid as a free ion,
Free ion.
presence of free electrons, free electrons. So these are the some of the differences between different types of hydrides: saline hydride, molecular hydride, and
metallic hydride.
S block elements form a saline
Saline
hydride, P block form a molecular hydride, and D and F block form a metallic hydride. Clear?